I'm Thomas Lunner. I'm the head of the Cognitive Hearing Science Group at Eriksholm. The topics we're currently looking into in my research area, that is, we're looking for the listener's intent. What are they actually trying to focus on? That's very important, and that is something that hearing aid doesn't know, but we want to learn that. The other long-term topic we're working on is more to see how can you find outcome measures of how the brain is affected by hearing bad, but also the environment you're in. We try to set up situations that resembles a natural situation. We have a lot of conversation going back and forth, and you're trying to follow a listener. One important sensor is the pupils, actually. You have to look in the person's eyes, because the pupil dilates, it becomes larger when you're spending effort. We're also looking for that from other perspective, from the brain signals. We can actually read from the brain signals to which person you're attending. That's magic, but that's possible to do. The research in the cognitive hearing science is typically carried out by looking for where you have the intent in a situation. And that can actually be picked up by brain signal, but also brain signals in the ear. We have a mold with a small electrode. If you put those in the ear, like that, then you can actually follow the eye movements. That's really cool. Another way is to look at the effort that the body puts in. How hard is the heart beating? That's a direct measure of effort. The types of employees that are working in cognitive hearing science, those are, of course, engineers, but they are engineers with the heart, or engineers that really like to interact with humans, because one thing is you have to solve a technical problem, but you have to understand the whole context they're living in. But we are neuroscientists, so we learn about the brain's behavior, and we have psychologists, and we have mathematicians. We have also a lot of nationalities. People coming from Mexico, the Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, Sweden, Bosnia, France, Brazil, Bangladesh, and Iran. We get a lot of synergies from having people from different countries, because they're contributing also with the culture into Eriksholm. It's very fun to come working here. First of all, of course, because you feel that you do a difference. We are working with concepts that we do think is really, really important for the hearing impaired persons, for their future hearing healthcare. The difference we want to make, we want to invent a new way to control the hearing aid. Hearing impaired persons, when they come to the clinic the first time, they say, I want a hearing aid that only amplifies what I'm interested in. That is what we're trying to solve here now. Okay, but then we need to know, what are you interested in? So then we have to use a lot of sensors to kind of pick that up. So you can get an intuitive, seamless steering of the hearing aid towards where you want to listen.